Hi, sorry about that. Just having a wee bit of fun. My name is Jerry, and I feel really honored to answer the question you asked, how to live a healthy and a happy life. If you've seen one of my videos that I put out, it's entitled, What are the Benefits of Healthy Diet? You'll no doubt sort of pick up on that I think a good quality diet is essential to your health. And I'm not talking about online diets or tabloid diets. I'm talking about eating good quality food. And, it's very simple. Good quality food in, good results. Bad food in, bad results. And it's an area that we have 100% control over and 100% responsibility. You have the control of putting that into your mouth or not. No one else has that control but you. And so be aware of what you're eating. Read labels. Eat less processed food. Eat more organic food. It'll really make a difference. It'll make you feel more energized. And when you're more energized, your body's gonna work better, and you're gonna, with this extra energy, you can go out and you can do things. You can go for a walk. You can go for a bike ride. You can go play tennis or golf or whatever jazzes you. And you'll also be meeting other people out there, and while they're doing it, they're going to be feeling pretty good. You're feeling pretty good, and you start to make those more positive connections. Now, that's sort of more of the key of a healthy lifestyle. Now, to get into more of a happy lifestyle, there's a few obstacles we have to get around. And the first one is negative people and just negativity in general. Now, some of the probably more negative people in your life may be your family, your friends, your co-workers. TV is pretty negative. The news is negative. Tabloids, magazines are generally negative. And a lot of the stuff on the internet, including our emails, can be pretty negative. So make a choice. Make the step to make the choice to reduce the engagement you have with those negative people. A little harder with your family, but don't get so involved in their negativity. Same with friends. And with the news, that's really easy. Just turn it off. You don't need it. Newspapers, don't buy them. Waste of money. If you really want, it's old news. If you really want to see some breaking news, go online. You'll get it a lot sooner than you will on your newspaper. That's why newspapers are failing all across the country. Negative news sells. And your co-workers, I'll touch on that just in a minute. But internet, just be aware of what you open, the emails you open. Is it affecting you, or is it benefiting you? And I really think that's really, really important. If I may, I'll tell you a little bit about my story. I was overweight, and I made a choice to lose some weight. I lost 30 pounds. It didn't happen overnight. Mind you, I didn't put on all the weight overnight either, so I'm good with that. And I canceled my Cablevision. Instead of watching hours of mindless garbage on TV, now I spend time out bicycling, walking my puppy dog down at the beach, or maybe having a glass of wine with some friends. And I'd much rather have the glass of wine with those friends engaging with real people than reality TV, which is a long ways from real. I don't read newspapers anymore. I just cancel my subscriptions to magazines that weren't exactly into my thing, like bicycling and that sort of thing. And it's really made a difference. Also, my job was kind of negative. A lot of negative people around, and I switched that up. Just a short time ago, I met these 5 guys. They're probably 5 of the most positive guys I've ever met. And happy, extremely successful. These are 7- and 8-figure income earners. And they're showing me how to structure my business to basically be like them. They're my mentors. And it's just made the world of difference. Now I surround myself with happy people. So being happy, it's not so much a choice, it's just the way of being now. Now, I encourage you to have a look at this. If it's a fit for you, great. And if not, that's okay too. But by making the choice and taking that first step to looking at it, then you'll know. So just go to the link below this video, put in your name and your best email, where we can send a little video to you or a little bit of information. It's really that simple. I really hope that you realize that you're so worth your health and your happiness in your life that you asked about. Again, my name's Jerry, and I'm wishing you a really healthy, happy day. Cheers.